God gonna give you more than they took from you. Trust me, God gonna give you 3 times as much right back. He gonna give it right back. You messing with somebody, you lost your car, lost your house, guess what? They think they did something. Yeah, they use you, but guess what? God gonna bless you with 2 or 3 cars. God gonna bless you with a bigger house. God gonna come right back and give you your blessing that the devil tried to take from you. The devil tried to ruin your life, but God gonna come back and give it to you. Don't lose your mind. Yeah, it gonna hurt. They did me like a dog, man. They used me. I was so nice. God gonna reward you for that good heart. Your heart can be broken. God can renew your heart. You got doubt on your mind. God can put strength on your mind. God can put some good on your mind. You ever had a good feeling come over you when you're going through something? Hey, God trying to comfort you. Like, hey, wait a little longer. I got you. Through your storm, God gonna give you a good old sunshine. In the dark, God gonna give you a good old light. Trust me, God gonna make you move. God gonna make you step. When you step back out, when they see you again, you looking all good. When God wash and clean you up from that dirt, nobody can touch you no more. Nobody can take it no more. Because when God give you strength, God give you some sense too. Not to go back no more. Not to deal with it no more. Not to run back. These folks took everything. Why give them a second chance to take it all over again? And this time, you may not come back from it. Because if you hadn't learned your lesson the first time, you got to deal with it for a little while right now. Anybody that lost something right now, God can replace it. Just have faith that he can do it.